Welcome to my channel. This is Ayomide Graphics. In this video, you will be learning how to create luxury SUV images using AI, as you can see on your screen right now. So without wasting much of your time, let's begin. You go to your Google Chrome, you type Bing Image Creator. When you click on the Bing Image Creator, you see then you have the first option there. You click on it. Now you are on this environment, as you can see. If this is your first time, you have to register with your email, but this is not my first time. Now the next stage is to paste the prompt. The Toyota SUV boasts sleek design lines, a metallic cluster and an elegant appearance. Its massive front grille and coattail-like emphasize the advanced style. The panoramic sunroof provides an unobstructed view of the sky, while the black fluid undulates as the SUV moves, leaving a dancing trail. This luxury vehicle captures real details with a subtle lens flare, perfect for its fashion advertisement. Then click on Create. So as you can see, it is creating. You have 4 different images, so the AI is going to give us 4 different images, so we have to choose from the ones we like. So as you can see, wow, look at some good vehicles here, some good brand new XUV. So let us check the first one by one. Wow, love this. So look at the front lights, good. So let us zoom in. Can zoom in too, check it very well. Wow, now starting from the front of the car, from the front light, good. The logo is good, everything better, love it. The side also good, like this side too, perfect. The front, look at the trail lights, everything is good. So let us zoom out. So that's good, lovely. So if you want to download this image, you just click on the 3 dots there. When you click on the 3 dots there, you see download. Let me do that now. As you can see, then click on download. I love this. I've downloaded this, as you can see. So that's it on that. Now let us check on the images of the other SUVs. Let us check the fourth one. I think I like this too as well. Wow, lovely. Look at the front of the car. The lights is good as well. Let me see another one too. Let me see another one. Wow, this is good too as well, lovely. The lights, the trail lights too as well, moving, lovely. So love this as well too. Let me check another one too. The third one too. Let me see. Wow, love these, lovely, like this. Lovely cars, lovely vehicles. Now let us change the name of the brand. So instead of Toyota, I'm using another name. Let me use I think I'll be using Range Rover. Let me use Range Rover. Let me type that. Range Rover, ROVER. Yeah. Now the color from black, I'll change it to red. Let me see. Red. I mean RED, red. Yes. Now click on create. Let me see. So as it's loading, it's going to give us 4 different Range Rover vehicles too as well. So let us wait. The coin is also deducting as well too. Wow, look at 4 different SUVs, lovely. Look at the Range Rover. Let us check it one by one. I'll click on the first one. Look at the image of this SUV Range Rover, good, like this as well, lovely. So let us zoom in. Let's zoom in. Wow, look at the details, the front lights, everything is good. Wow, so lovely. So that's good. Let us check another image. Like this too as well, good. Wow, like the image. Look at the trail lights moving, the color red also showing in the background too as well. Lovely. Let us check another one too as well. So let me click on this. This will be good, like this one. That's the fourth one. Wow, I just downloaded the image. Love this image, very good. I like this image. So let me check another one too as well. Let me check this. Let me see this, if it's good. Loading. Wow, this is also good too, like this image. So that's how to create a luxury SUV images using AI. So with this prompt, you can change the color, you can change the brand name, you can also tweak it anyhow you want. You can change one or two things in the prompt. You can also add your own words to it. So if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly click on the subscribe button on your screen right now for you to get all notifications when I upload video like this. Do it to like this video by clicking the like button on your screen right now. Also, drop your comments concerning this video in the comment section, and don't forget to share this video across the socials. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.